Good day, everyone. Today I'll be presenting about one of the most important systems in the human body, the digestive system. This system is responsible for breaking down the food we eat into nutrients that give us energy, help us grow, and keep us healthy. Throughout this presentation, I'll explain how each organ works together, from the mouth all the way to the anus, to complete the fascinating process of digestion. Introduction to the human digestive system. The human digestive system is a complex network of organs responsible for breaking down the food we eat into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. Every bite of food begins a fascinating journey through the digestive tract, where it is gradually transformed into simpler substances that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. The digestive system is made up of two main parts: the gastrointestinal, or GI tract, and the accessory organs. The GI tract includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. These organs work together in a coordinated process of digestion, absorption, and elimination. The accessory organs, such as the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas, assist by producing enzymes and other substances that help break down food efficiently. In essence, the digestive system plays a vital role in maintaining life. Without it, our bodies would be unable to obtain the nutrients needed to function properly and stay healthy. The mouth, the beginning of digestion. The mouth is the very first part of the human digestive system and serves as the main entry point for food. It plays a vital role in both the mechanical and chemical processes of digestion. When food enters the mouth, the teeth immediately begin to chew and grind it into smaller pieces. This process, known as mechanical digestion, makes it easier for the food to be swallowed and for digestive enzymes to act more effectively later on. At the same time, chemical digestion also begins in the mouth. The salivary glands release saliva, which contains an enzyme called amylase. Amylase starts breaking down complex carbohydrates, such as starch, into simpler sugars. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva, form it into a soft mass called a bolus, and push it toward the back of the mouth for swallowing. In essence, the mouth is not just for eating or tasting. It is the starting point of digestion, preparing food for its journey through the rest of the digestive system. The esophagus, the food transporter. The esophagus is a long muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach, playing a crucial role in the process of digestion. Although it does not produce any digestive enzymes or contribute directly to the chemical breakdown of food, the esophagus is essential for transporting food safely and efficiently from the throat to the stomach. Once food is chewed and formed into a bolus in the mouth, it passes through the pharynx and enters the esophagus. The walls of the esophagus contain smooth muscles that contract in a rhythmic, wave-like motion known as peristalsis. These muscular contractions push the food downward, regardless of the body's position, even if a person is lying down or upside down. At the lower end of the esophagus, there is a muscular ring called the lower esophageal sphincter, which opens to allow food into the stomach, and then closes to prevent stomach acid from flowing back up. In summary, the esophagus acts as a vital passageway, ensuring that food reaches the stomach smoothly for further digestion and nutrient absorption. The stomach, the mixing and digestive chamber. The stomach is a hollow, muscular organ located between the esophagus and the small intestine. It serves as a temporary storage site for food and plays a central role in the process of digestion. Once food reaches the stomach, it is mixed and churned with gastric juices, which contain enzymes and hydrochloric acid. These substances help break down large food particles into a semi-liquid form called chyme. The stomach performs both mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanically, the muscles in its walls contract in a coordinated way to mix and grind the food. Chemically, the digestive enzymes and acids act act on proteins, beginning their breakdown into smaller molecules. The acidic environment also helps kill bacteria and other harmful microorganisms that may be present in food. Another important function of the stomach is to control the gradual release of chyme into the small intestine, where most nutrient absorption occurs. In short, the stomach acts as both a storage and mixing chamber, preparing the food so the body can extract the nutrients it needs for energy, growth, and repair. The pancreas, the dual-function organ. The pancreas is a soft, elongated organ located just behind the stomach, and it plays a vital role in both digestion and the regulation of blood sugar levels. What makes the pancreas unique is that it serves two major functions, one as part of the digestive system and the other as part of the endocrine system. In its digestive role, the pancreas produces important enzymes that help break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into smaller, absorbable molecules. These enzymes are released into the small intestine through the pancreatic duct, where they continue the process of chemical digestion. Without the pancreas, our bodies would struggle to properly digest and absorb nutrients from food. In its endocrine role, the pancreas releases hormones such as insulin and glucagon, which help regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin lowers blood sugar when it becomes too high, while glucagon raises it when it becomes too low. The pancreas also helps stimulate the production of stomach acids, supporting efficient digestion. Overall, the pancreas is a crucial organ that maintains both digestive health and metabolic balance in the human body. The liver, the body's chemical factory. The liver is one of the largest and most vital organs in the human body, located in the upper right portion of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. It performs a wide range of essential functions that keep the body healthy and balanced. One of its main roles in digestion is the continuous production of bile, a greenish fluid that helps break down fats into smaller droplets. This process allows the small intestine to absorb fats and fat-soluble nutrients more efficiently. Beyond digestion, the liver acts as the body's natural filter. It processes and removes harmful toxins, drugs, and waste products from the blood, keeping the bloodstream clean and safe. The liver also plays a key role in metabolism, helping to regulate blood sugar levels by storing excess glucose as glycogen and releasing it when the body needs energy. Additionally, the liver produces important proteins and clotting factors that help the blood to clot properly after an injury. Overall, the liver is a powerhouse organ, essential for digestion, detoxification, energy balance, and overall body health. The gallbladder, the bile storage organ. The gallbladder is a small, pear-shaped organ located just beneath the liver, and though it may be small in size, it plays an important role in the digestive system. Its main function is to store and concentrate bile, a digestive fluid produced by the liver. Bile is essential for breaking down dietary fats into smaller components called fatty acids, which can then be easily absorbed by the small intestine. When we eat fatty foods, the gallbladder responds by releasing bile through the bile ducts into the small intestine. This process helps the body efficiently digest and absorb fats and fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. Between meals, the gallbladder holds the bile, making it more concentrated and ready for the next meal. Although the gallbladder itself does not produce bile or enzymes, its storage and release function are critical for smooth and effective digestion. In summary, the gallbladder acts as a supporting partner to the liver, ensuring that the body can properly process fats and maintain a healthy digestive system. The small intestine, the center of absorption. The small intestine is a long, coiled tube that connects the stomach to the large intestine, and it is one of the most important parts of the digestive system. Its primary functions are to break down food further, absorb nutrients, and move the intestinal contents along the digestive tract. It is in the small intestine where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients actually take place. The inner walls of the small intestine are lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller structures known as microvilli. These greatly increase the surface area, allowing for more efficient absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. The small intestine receives digestive juices from the pancreas and bile from the liver and gallbladder, which help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into their simplest forms: sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids. Once nutrients are absorbed, they are transported throughout the body to provide energy, repair tissues, and support growth. In essence, the small intestine is the body's main site for nutrient absorption, making it vital for maintaining health and sustaining life. The large intestine, the final stage of digestion. The large intestine is the final section of the digestive tract, following the small intestine and leading to the anal canal. Although most nutrient absorption takes place in the small intestine, the large intestine plays an equally important role in maintaining the body's overall balance and health. Its primary functions include absorbing water and electrolytes, forming stool, and preparing waste for elimination from the body. As the remaining undigested material passes through the large intestine, most of the water and salts are absorbed back into the bloodstream. This process helps prevent dehydration and keeps the body's fluid levels balanced. The large intestine also serves as a home to millions of beneficial bacteria, which carry out bacterial fermentation, breaking down any remaining food particles and producing certain vitamins, such as vitamin K and some B vitamins. In addition, the large intestine plays a protective role by preventing harmful microorganisms from growing and causing infections. Overall, the large intestine completes the digestive process by turning waste into solid stool and ensuring that the body retains the water and nutrients it needs. The rectum and anus, the body's exit pathway. The rectum and anus form the final part of the human digestive system, responsible for storing and eliminating solid waste from the body. The rectum is a short, muscular section that connects the large intestine to the anus. Its main function is to act as a reservoir, where stool or feces accumulate and are held temporarily until the body is ready for elimination. When the rectum becomes full, stretch receptors in its walls send signals to the brain, creating the urge to pass stool. During this process, the anal sphincters, which are circular muscles surrounding the anus, play a crucial role in controlling the release of waste. The internal sphincter functions automatically, while the external sphincter allows voluntary control, ensuring that bowel movements happen at appropriate times. The anus is also lined with nerves and mucous membranes, which help detect stool consistency and facilitate smooth, healthy elimination. Together, the rectum and anus complete the digestive journey by safely and efficiently removing waste, maintaining both digestive health and overall body balance. In conclusion, the human digestive system plays a vital role in keeping our bodies strong, energized, and healthy. It works continuously to break down the food we eat into nutrients, such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, all of which are essential for growth, repair, and daily energy. Beyond nutrient absorption, the digestive system also absorbs water and essential minerals, helping to keep the body hydrated and balanced. Another important function is the elimination of toxins and undigested waste, which prevents harmful substances from building up in the body. The digestive system also supports the immune system through the presence of beneficial gut bacteria, which protect against infections and maintain a healthy internal environment. Overall, the digestive system is not only responsible for processing food, but also for maintaining homeostasis, or the body's internal balance. By ensuring proper digestion, absorption, and elimination, this system sustains every other organ and function in the body, reminding us that good digestion is the foundation of good health. That's all for me. Thank you for watching my video.